Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your JBL Flip 5. A factory reset is a powerful troubleshooting step that can resolve many common issues, like Bluetooth connectivity problems or unexpected audio glitches. It essentially gives your speaker a fresh start, clearing all previous pairings and custom settings. This process is straightforward and can often save you from more complex troubleshooting. Let's dive into the simple steps to get your speaker back to its default settings. To perform a factory reset, first make sure your JBL Flip 5 is powered on. Next, locate the Bluetooth button and the volume up button on the top of your speaker. You'll need to press and hold both of these buttons down at the exact same time. Keep holding them for approximately 3 seconds. You will know the reset is successful when the speaker powers itself off. This action confirms that all settings have been cleared. Once the reset is complete, your JBL Flip 5 will be in its original, out-of-the-box state. This means all previously paired Bluetooth devices have been completely forgotten, and any custom sound settings or equalizer adjustments you might have made are now erased. Essentially, it's like turning on a brand new speaker for the very first time. You'll need to pair it with your desired device again, just as you did initially. After the reset, simply power on your JBL Flip 5. It will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing mode, indicated by a flashing blue light. Now, go to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, tablet, or computer and select JBL Flip 5 from the list of available devices. Once connected, your speaker should function perfectly, just like new. If you still experience persistent issues, consider reaching out to JBL customer support for more specialized help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.